My name is Ahana Paul and I am from Techno India Group of Public School, Ariadaha. My topic is AWS Artificial Intelligence on Agriculture, Education and Plant Health. My aim is to help the farmers. India is a densely populated country and the population is also increasing day by day. So I think that the crop yielding must also be increased and my project will help the farmers to do it. This project also says the information and also views it on the screen so that the blind people can hear it and the deaf people can see it. So let's see what's there on the project. So this is my project and let's see what happens. So I am starting it.
Hi, my name is Pradeep and I'm your farmer assistant. Please tell me for which plant you want information.
So it introduces itself and tells that type the plant name below. So suppose I type wheat. We can also write any other name of plant. So let's see what it tells.
Soils with a clay loam or loam texture, good structure and moderate water holding capacity are ideal for wheat cultivation.
It tells and shows too.
The most suitable climate for wheat farming is moist and cool weather. The soil must be properly prepared before starting the wheat farming. For this you can plow the soil either with disc or mold. Some popular wheat varieties available and cultivated in India are as follows: DBW17, HD 2851, HD 2932, PBW1ZN, UNNAT PB. Usually 40 to 50 kilogram seeds are required in 1 acre of land, although exact amount of seeds required depends on the variety and S. The most commonly used insecticides against insect attack during wheat grain storage are organochlorines, organophosphates, and Thank you. Now go to the next section to know remedies for your crop diseases. Explore more. Thanks for exploring. Was it helpful?
So it told the information about wheat and now it's asking for the comment. So if I type yes, then it's going to say that come again. But let's see what happens if I type no. So let's see.
For more information, you can visit our website www.farmerfriendlyfriendahana.com. You can also visit our Facebook or Instagram, or visit our Farmer Friendly Friend shop at your nearest location. Please tell me your location.
So if anyone wants to visit this shop, they can find out their nearest shop by typing their own city location. So let me type Kolkata. We can also type any other name of the city. So I chose Kolkata. Let's see what it is.
Our nearest shop in your city, Kolkata, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Road, Jadandas Park, Patrapara, Bhawanipur, Kolkata.
It tells the address of the nearest shop.
Hi, my name is John and I am your farm doctor. Please tell me the symptoms of your plant which has disease.
Now here this sprite is going to detect the disease that my plant is suffering from and it will also tell the remedies of that. So let me type some symptoms. So I wrote twigs go dry and fire scorch. Let me see what it gives.
Oh no, your plant is infected with dieback. But don't worry, we will tell you the remedies. Move collateral weed hosts from buds and channels. nitrogen. Apply N in 3 split doses, 50% basal, 25% in tillering phase and 25% N in panicle initiation stage. Use resistant variety CO47. Avoid exceeds use of nitrogen fertilizer. Use resistant variety BPT5204 chemical method.
These are all the remedies.
Spray after observing initial infection of the disease. Carbendazim 50 WP at 500 grams/Ha, or tricyclazole 75 WP at 500 grams/Ha, or metaminostroben 20 SC at 500 milliliters/Ha, or 47-azoxystrobin 25 SC. I hope your plant will be soon cured. Thank you. Welcome to the last section. Hi, my name is Jude and I will help to increase your income in certain plants. Tell me the plant or crop you want to increase your income.
So as there are many problems for the farmers to income, and their income is going less day by day, so that is for them. So suppose I am writing mango income. So let me see what it gives.
Mango turmeric plantation as intercrop in mango has been found not only to assist in suppressing the population of trunk borers.
So we can do this for increase of our income for the farmers.
You can do sheep, poultry and goat farming too. You can export mango or make jam pickle juice for more profit. I think that this will help you increase your income.
And here the project ends. Last of all, I want to thank my teachers. So now let's see the script now. So this is the script for the first sprite. I have used events, control, and this text to speech, natural language, and looks block 2. And sensing 2. This is for the address, for telling the nearest shop, and this is for the farm doctor. These are all the remedies. It detects disease by this, and this is the result what it will tell. And this is for the monetization. So this is the end of my script. Last of all, I want to thank my teachers for encouraging me. Thank you.